In this question, we've been asked to work out the equation of a line L1, and this is a tangent which touches the circle at the point when x is -3 and an unknown y value. And the equation of a circle is x squared plus y squared equals 90. So to work out the equation of a line L1, I'm going to begin by working out the y value here. And I can do this by substituting the x value of -3 into our equation of a circle. So -3 squared plus y squared is equal to 90. -3 squared is 9 plus y squared equals 90. So y squared will equal 81. And we can take the square root of both sides, so y will equal 9. But it must be -9 because it is below the x-axis. So y is -9. So the coordinates of m are -3 and -9. I can use these coordinates to work out the gradient of a line 0 to m, which is the radius of our circle. And we know in circle theorems, the angle between a radius and a tangent is 90 degrees. So the gradients will be the negative reciprocal of each other. So I'm going to work out the gradient of a radius. And to make it clearer, I'll draw it over here a bit larger, where we have a point at the origin, and the coordinates we've just worked out as -3 and -9. So to work out the gradient of this green line, I'm going to call it n, and this is the change in y divided by the change in x. And as we go from -3 across, we have a difference of 3. So from -3 to 0, and as we go across by 3, we go up by 9. So n, the gradient, is 9 divided by 3, which is 3. So this is the gradient of the radius. So this means the gradient of the tangent must be -1/3, because it is the negative reciprocal because the lines are perpendicular. So now we have the gradient of the line L1. We can use a formula, y is equal to mx plus c, to work out the equation of a line, where m is the gradient and c is the intercept. So y is equal to m, which we know is -1/3 of x plus c. And we know a value of x and y here. We can substitute these into our equation. So y, which is -9, is equal to -1/3 of x, which is -3, plus c. -1/3 of -3 is 1. So -9 is equal to 1 plus c. So c must be equal to -10. So now we have the equation of a line L1, where y is equal to the gradient -1/3 of x minus 10. Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you found that useful. Thanks again, and take care.